Hi friend, welcome back. So today we're actually at Freedom Factory. We're doing some work with Hoonigan, so I figured it was going to be a good opportunity to film a little vlog for you. So we just got here, we're gonna go get set up, and I'll see you soon. It's hot.
Oh yeah, it's warm. But you know what? We're ready to go, and we're gonna be like nice and warm when it's cold out and everybody else gonna be cold, looking at us in our warmth. Okay? So we're prepared. We'll suffer a little now, profit later.
Freedom 500.
Hey, who's coming to clean it for tomorrow? So, Dick just here.
And we're here.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
Make something fit. Cool. Let me move.
Here, I'm gonna clean up. As well, though. So we've got the Nitro Circus guys around. So.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? I'm waving.
What's up? Hey, what's up?
Hello. How are you?
What's up? What's up?
What is? Oh, I bet that's not water I'm putting on there.
Go black painter my car.
Do you?
Yeah.
You got?
Walk out there.
Yeah, that'd be great.
One, then you got KSR Kevin, second.
I did a shoey out of one of my shoes and I put it in the washer and never made it back in my bag. So we've got this. That's, I mean, he looks.
By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed.
Backup cars. I saw Chelsea get on a guy's car. They took him out the gate, so I'm sure he's getting in one of those backup cars here before the green flag will fly. Chelsea
Let's give it up from Kevin, from KSR. Let's hear it.
Man, it felt really good. It didn't qualify great, but we were 7th, moved up to 3rd. Just kind of hanging around that 3rd, 4th, 5th zone. Pretty safe, but couldn't get off the restarts. Wouldn't shift 1st to 2nd. The cars are amazingly durable, but unfortunately, I got dropped by like Haley went around me, everyone on the restart. I went back to like 10th and then got spun in the corner and I got a flat. So I pulled in the pits, but the race never went yellow. I got off the track too fast. Should have stayed out there. So went down like 7, 8 laps. Then came out and was just demolition derby after that. It was pretty fun.
All right, so that wraps it up. It's actually really cold right now, and it was crazy. It was fun. It was definitely an experience. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye.
It was so cold.